Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, y'all, I am super excited about my Amazon order. Y'all know I have been growing my channel and I have been talking about updating some equipment. So let's do this unboxing so you can see what I got. I am so excited, y'all. So this came in today. I ordered it about probably a couple of days ago because y'all know I got Amazon Prime. So hey, I think I got this like the next day. I ordered this on yesterday and it literally just came in today. So I cannot wait for you guys to see what it is. I am just super excited, super tickled. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? But it is a digital camera, y'all. You guys know I have been talking about getting a camera. So I found this on Amazon, y'all. I had it in my cart sitting. So it is actually a starter camera for me, okay? So like I said, this is my first camera. It's a 4K ultra high definition camera, okay? So I went on Amazon, I was searching, trying to find something that was cost effective, and I found this camera. The reviews on it was great. So I'm excited to get started. As you can see, it came packaged in a beautiful box. So we are about to open it up, y'all, and we are about to see exactly what this thing is all about, okay? I am so excited. I am so happy. I appreciate everybody who support my channel, who show up in some form or another, even if it's liking, sharing, commenting, those who have sent super stickers, those who have just supported my channel in any small way, those who have downloaded guides, just whatever, in whatever capacity that you have contributed to my channel. Thank you. And this is a part of my glow up journey, I would say. I am definitely trying to just bring better content, better videos, make the quality really good. So this is just a part of that. Like I said, I've been talking about my camera, getting a camera for a minute, and this is just the first step, y'all. So it's not a fancy name brand digital camera that we normally see, but it's a camera. It's a camera and I'm excited. So let's just see what it looks like, y'all. Ooh, it's a little bit fancy. Okay. So of course I don't want to do a whole lot with it right now. I do want to make sure I go in and I read the instructions. It came in a beautiful package. So when I first put this in my cart, y'all, it was like $99. So as I went back to my cart, I saw that the price had dropped 60% off. So I actually got this camera for $59.99. So you already know I'm gonna drop the link in the comments. So hopefully it is still on sale. So all of you who make content, who have basket creations, who whatever you need a camera for. If you need to upgrade your camera, I would definitely look into getting this camera. Like I said, for the price, you cannot beat it. Even if it's not the best camera, I think it's a great starter camera. So I'll let y'all know exactly how well I like it once I start using it. All right, so it came in this nice little pouch. So it's a good carrying case. And I also like the fact that it opens up on the side right here. It opens up just like this right here. So when I am recording, I will be able to see myself while I'm recording. So that's gonna be pretty exciting, y'all. It comes with like a little mount where I can mount it on my tripod. I mean, I'm just really happy that it came in, y'all. So let's see what accessories it came with. Look like it got a little camera lens wipe on the inside. Okay, then y'all could have put this in a little clear bag, but hey, for the price, I ain't mad at it, right? I am not mad at it. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Of course, it did come with a couple of batteries. It came with 2 batteries, as a matter of fact. It's got a little carrying little cord here. Of course, it's got the charger to it. And it came with, oh, this is the cap that go on it. I'm assuming that this is the cap that goes over the lens here, y'all. Why didn't it ship with the cap already on there? I'm not really sure. Oh, it has, I feel like it has some kind of magnetic hole or feel to it, but I'm not really sure. But like I said, let me leave it alone before I break it, y'all. And I have to call Amazon and be like, y'all know I broke the camera already. And it comes with a SD card, y'all. So I should be able to, I'm trying to see if it came with any instructions. Okay, here go the instructions, y'all. So I'm going to make sure I read over the user manual because I do believe that there is an app that I'm going to have to download on my phone, and that way I can transfer the videos or the pictures from my camera to my laptop or from my camera to my phone, which is going to make it real easy. So I cannot wait to get started. I cannot wait to start shooting content, y'all. I cannot wait to see how much my content quality improves in my videos. I'm excited, y'all. I am excited. Like I said, I am going to make sure I drop the link down in the description, you guys, so you can check it out. Like I said, I did get it from Amazon. They had it on sale, 60% off. The original price was $99. It went down to $59. I think this is a great starter camera. It is going to be my starter camera, so I'm excited, y'all. It didn't come with a whole lot of bells and whistles. It didn't come with a tripod, a stand, or connecting devices and all of that. So of course, you know, those things you will have to probably get separate, but as of right now, I'm not worried about that. The only thing I am worried about is bringing better quality videos to you guys. All right, so I'm going to play with this gadget a little bit more, and of course y'all be on the lookout, and y'all make sure when y'all see my videos and y'all notice that the quality has changed, make sure you drop me some hearts and be like, oh yeah, I see you, sis. I see you, girl. I see you, friend. You get what I'm saying? Y'all show me some love in the comments. So that is it for now. I just wanted to show you guys my new little toy that I got. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not subscribed, because you are going to love it here. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.